The reason we're taking a full varnish removal is when particularly with old paintings, they've been through many interventions, many restorations. And what tends to happen with a soft natural resin varnish, which comes from a tree, it goes slightly yellow, it goes slightly dull, and over time there's a bit of surface dirt and people think, oh, we'll brighten that up, we'll give it another varnish. So you get another layer of varnish put on. And sometimes you get a layer of dirt locked in, and over the years you can have a gradual darkening of the surface. So you're not actually seeing what the artist intended. I will start off by doing tiny little cleaning tests, almost the size of a pinhead, in different colours around the edges, or usually in places under the frame, to establish the safest solvent we can use to remove it. So I test different solvents in different strengths, and obviously I use the weakest solvent and the most mild solvent that I can, and then we progress slowly. If you look at the rough, you can see that that is likely to be quite pale, and her face will be quite pale. We've got the pink and the blue bows. We've got a green table, which actually looks almost black. So everything will be much paler, but I hope that everybody feels really pleased with the result.